Hi everybody, welcome to Tech Talk Tuesday with Tony. This week we're going to look at iPad OS and the changes that were just released at WWDC. iPad OS will be updated, iOS 14 for the phones, iPad OS for the iPads. Today we're going to just focus on iPads. And this is they're hoping to release it in September. So these are 5 changes that you will see hopefully in September when you upgrade to the next operating system that might help you and your business using iPad OS. So let's go ahead and start with number 1. App design. They've changed the way the app design is. It looks more like a desktop experience. Again, it's still an iPad, but now you don't have to leave the app or not view the app when you're using a menu. So now menus will show up in a sidebar, kind of like you're used to in Mac OS or Windows, where you get the menu but you're still seeing, for example, your Word document. So that's one change as they've added to iOS 14 to make the experience more desktop-like. So that's number 1. App design. Let's go ahead and go on to number 2, which is Scribble. I love Scribble, and what Scribble does, if you look at our screenshots, what Scribble does is it allows you to input text using the Apple Pencil. So you don't have to type at all anymore when you're filling out a form online where you want to type. So especially for a lot of our construction partners that are always out in the field with an Apple Pencil and they're used to using their hands to write things, you can keep doing that, but then it will automatically convert to text. So that's a big change that I think makes you consider using the Apple Pencil a lot more, because now you don't have to type, you can just use the Apple Pencil for everything. So that's number 2. Let's go on to number 3. And number 3 is Notes. Now, I know a lot of people look at Notes as something that they don't use. You kind of have 2 schools of thought. You have people who have their own Notes app that they love. I use GoodNotes, for example. And then a lot of companies just keep whatever the Notes app is automatically on the device. And for those of you that do that, what you can do now is use handwriting, copy and paste it into printed text. So once again, they're making the Apple Pencil more powerful, and they're slowly but surely making Notes a full-fledged Notes app. So that's the number 3 change that I think you'll like in iOS 14, hopefully coming out in September to your devices. Let's go on to number 4. I'm in love with this one, okay? You can scratch to delete text. So if you made a mistake, you can erase it. All you have to do is scratch it, it will erase. And also you can circle a word now to select it if you want to move it, rather than doing that press and hold finger thing, which half the time doesn't work. So especially on the iPad, and especially as they're pushing forward the Apple Pencil, this makes things much easier. That's my number 4 change to iOS that I'm in love with, that I think everybody should know about coming in September, hopefully. Let's go to our last one, number 5. Notes recognition. So in Notes, you can now, let's see, I don't even know what I said, shape recognition. Okay, go backwards. I'm gonna have to do some editing.
Number 5.
Yeah, go back to number 5. Okay. And what did I say, number 5, shape recognition. Okay. Okay, don't have me, just have, okay.
It's on the number 5. Right?
Okay. Number 5, the final, not as exciting as the 1 through 4, but it now has shape recognition with the Apple Pencil. You can draw shapes as lines and arcs, and it's automatically gonna make it look good. And also, in terms of data detectors, it can recognize addresses, phone numbers, and email addresses in handwritten text. So if I were to scribble out a phone number, I could press and hold and it knows it's a contact or something I could use with my phone. So again, what iPad OS is getting the upgrade to in these 5 features, most of that I've shown you, is the improvement of using the Apple Pencil as an input device. Don't forget the titanium wireless can handle all of your wireless needs and help you get up and running so that your business can run smoothly out in the field. Have a great week, everybody.
Right now, your business needs to stay connected, and your mobility partner must deliver innovative solutions fast. Titanium Wireless has engineered a scalable mobile response kit for your business to have the best connection wherever you are. Customize your kits for any role, from executives to employees in the field. Let Titanium Wireless design a solution for your business today.